Hello everyone, this is Dan with Arcade Funcade. Today we wanted to show you guys, I have this 8-ball deluxe that we have kind of taken apart here. We took the back glass off and we had a little problem with the soundboard. One of the reasons the soundboards give out is because of the capacitors. They give out here and there. We also have EEPROM chips that give out. So what we end up doing, we usually swap all those guys out. But at times, some people ask or think it's just a better idea. And we also think it's a better idea at times to just buy an entirely new board. And there are a couple cool things, cool features that get built into these things. The old board was pretty large and it fit in this area here on this left side here of this door. And what we ended up doing is we ordered a new board, and it's a Squawk and Talk, this little guy. That's what they're called. They're called cheap Squawk and Talk boards, something like that. And the idea behind this guy is that it has a little SD card. They're made by geotech.com. These guys are really good. You could do a lot of cool stuff with these guys. You could actually add lighting kits to the backside of these relays. You could light up different parts of your play field with them, and add lighting kits and LED kits. And what I really liked about this is that you can actually go in and control the volume right on the board itself. So you have a little volume pod right there. And what's neat is it actually has an arrow. They usually don't have anything on them. And this guy here is another guy. So we have like a little amplifier slash like equalizer deal going on. And this guy controls your voice when it says 8-ball deluxe, and chalk it up or whatever. And you have some sounds here, which is the background sounds of your game. And then you have the sounds of the pinball machine game. You have a little dial to control every individual sound. So you have your background music, your sounds on the little chimes and the little drop targets and that. And then you have your voice. So how cool is that? You could adjust them according to your liking. And I'm adjusting them now to probably get as good a sound as we'd like. Another cool feature is that we have an onboard power supply. You can see what the power is supposed to be going through there. And it's supposed to be staying steady at 4.97 to 5.05. You want to be anywhere in between there, so that's pretty cool. The connections are really easy. I mean, you could just connect it here. Your speaker connects directly to this pin setup. It looks a little crazy when you first get it because there's a couple pins that are left undone, but that's just how they are. This guy ends up having three. Imagine that. And I got to have the pinball talking crap. So I have three terminals not connected here, and you can see the little soldering joints underneath that would be there normally. So when you do plug these in, all you got to do is just make sure that's in the box, that little white outline box. So we're gonna close this thing up and give it a quick test. And I have a little wire getting snagged in there. And we're kind of excited to get this thing going. Oh, we also have a volume knob in here. So what we do with this guy is we turn this guy all the way up. So when you adjust it back there, you don't have to go back in to try to adjust it again. So we're gonna go ahead and start a game up here. And so you can hear the background noise. There you go. Check that out. They had no sound whatsoever, so that really sucked. I got drained. But the sounds are there, so that's really cool. Here we go again. And you see that background sound. It's kind of loud. You can, if it gets a little annoying, you can actually turn it down. So let's turn down that laser sound. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, you can. Look at that. You can turn it down just a little bit by lowering this lower knob here. So it doesn't get so overwhelming. We can lower it just a little bit and have the sounds on the machine actually go a little louder. There we go. Maybe we could turn it up a little bit more. So we're adjusting right now, trying to figure out what's going to be the best set. I think right there is good. So it's not overwhelming. There we go. You could hear the game good. Oh, it's gonna drain. So that sound is pretty rad. So, and we still have a good pot in here. Some of these pots go dead, and they kind of dry up inside and get a little crazy. So this one's gonna be good. So anyway, yeah. So that's where we're at. So our sound is back, and we're excited to get this thing back up and running for the customer. And it was something as simple as changing out a board. Sometimes it costs the same to change out the board and just have some shop time on the board. So we usually collect the boards and take them back, repair them, do whatever we can, and have a backup board for them for the future. So that's kind of cool. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And if you have a different machine you need some help with, let us know. Maybe we can help you out and walk you through the process. Thanks for watching. This is Dan with Arcade Funkade. Take care.